how to fix lag in EFC25 mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix lag in EAFC 2025 mobile. So watch till the end and let's get started. Now before we start, I want to make one thing clear: if your phone lags while using YouTube, Google, or any other internet app, then the problem is either with your internet or your phone. In that case, you won't get smooth gameplay in FC Mobile no matter what you try. But if everything else runs fine and only FC Mobile is lagging, then let's fix it. So first, open FC Mobile once the game is open, and after that go to settings. Now tap on audio. Check the in-game audio levels here. Now, audio isn't the main reason for lag, but sometimes lowering it a bit helps with smoothness. So reduce the volume slightly and see if there's any improvement. If that doesn't solve it, then here's the main fix. Go back and tap on graphics. Now click on recommended. This will automatically set the best graphics settings based on your phone. But if it's already on recommended and you still see lag, then lower the settings even more, set them to the lowest level possible. This step usually fixes the lag completely. So that's all you need to do. Try these steps and your gameplay should be way smoother now. If this helped, hit that like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.